Now the numerical based on fuel from proximate analysis. And according to proximate analysis, what we analyze in coal is, first thing which we analyze is moisture. Then we analyze volatile matter. And then we calculate ash. And last is percentage of carbon. And it is done in the same order. So a sample of coal was analyzed as follows. 2.5 grams of coal was weighed in a crucible after heating for 1 hour at 110 degrees Celsius. The residue weighed 2.415 grams. The residue was then covered, the crucible was then covered with a lid and heated at 7 minutes at 950 degrees Celsius. Around 950, the residue weighed 1.528 grams. The crucible was then heated for 30 minutes at around 700 until a constant weight was obtained. The residue left was 0.245 grams. We have to calculate the percentage analysis. Now, when we are heating for 1 hour at 110 degrees Celsius, the residue is this, and this will give the moisture. In the second heating for 7 minutes, the residue was 1.528. This will give volatile matter. And the last residue is of ash. And then from these residues, we will calculate the percentage analysis, or the percentage of carbon. Now the first one is moisture. Now the sample of coal was 2.5 grams. जब उसको 1 घंटे के लिए हीट किया 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे, तो रेसिड्यू was 2.415. So mass of moisture will be 2.5 minus 2.415. This is the amount of moisture, mass of moisture, which comes out to be 0.085. From this we calculate the percentage, which is given by 0.085 divided by total coal, which is 2.5 into 100. So the percentage which comes out is 3.4. This is the amount of moisture. Then we calculate volatile matter. Now हम volatile matter उससे remove कर रहे हैं जिससे हम moisture remove कर चुके हैं. So volatile matter के लिए initial weight जो है वो है 2.415. So mass of volatile matter is given by, mass of volatile matter is 2.415 and the residue is 1.528. So this is 0.887. Then the percentage of volatile matter is 0.887 divided by 2.5 into 100, and this comes out to be 35.48. This is the percentage of volatile matter. Now in the third heating, we are heating for 30 minutes at around 700 until a constant weight is obtained. Now the residue left was 0.245. Now इस रेसिड्यू के लिए जब हम लास्ट वाला ऐश निकाल रहे हैं तो इसको बार बार हीट कर रहे हैं टिल वी गेट अ कांस्टेंट वेट. सो जब भी हम ऐश निकालेंगे तो हम इनिशियल रेसिड्यू से इसको माइनस नहीं करेंगे. सो द परसेंटेज ऑफ ऐश is given by 0.245 divided by 2.5 into 100, which comes out to be 9.8%. So from this we calculate the percentage of carbon, which is 100 minus the percentage of moisture plus volatile matter plus ash. So this is 100 minus the percentage of moisture is 3.4. The volatile matter is 35.48. Ash is 9.8. So this comes out to be 100 minus, it is 48.8. 0.68, which comes out to be 51.32%. And this 51.32% is a percentage of carbon. So in proximate analysis, first we are calculating moisture, then we are calculating volatile matter, and then we are calculating ash. Moisture निकालने के लिए जो इनिशियल जो टोटल कोल है उससे फर्स्ट रेसिड्यू को माइनस कर रहे हैं. देन वॉलेटाइल मैटर के लिए जो फर्स्ट रेसिड्यू है वो इसका इनिशियल वेट है, फिर सेकेंड रेसिड्यू को माइनस कर रहे हैं. लेकिन ऐश जब निकाल रहे हैं तो उससे पहले वाला जो रेसिड्यू है उससे माइनस नहीं करते, बिकॉज ऐश निकालते जब हैं तो कोल को हम बार बार हीट कर रहे हैं. सो टिल वी गेट अ कांस्टेंट वेट, एंड देन परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन इज गिवन बाय 100 minus the percentage of moisture plus volatile matter plus ash.